Everyone's talking about AI, but no one's showing how to actually make money with it. So I tested something simple. I used AI to turn an idea into a real product and launched my own online brand in just a few hours. No inventory, no warehouse, no upfront risk, and honestly, it felt way easier than I expected. Not theory, not hype, an actual store.
If you're ready to make AI your superpower, welcome. Every video gives you new tools, new tricks, and simple shortcuts to level up your workflow instantly. No fluff, no geek talk, just practical power you can use today.
So here's how this started. I had this idea for a brand, and I even used AI to help brainstorm the design direction. Something simple, something personal, a hoodie design that actually meant something to me. Normally, that's where most people stop. Because turning an idea into a real product, that's expensive, messy, and honestly overwhelming. But this is where Printful changed everything. I went on the platform, picked a hoodie, uploaded the AI-assisted design, and instantly saw it on a real product, not a mock-up I made in Photoshop, a real preview, ready to sell. And here's the crazy part. I didn't pay anything. No bulk order, no minimums. I didn't have to guess if it would sell. So instead of risking money, I tested the idea first. And that completely changes how you think about starting a business. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Having a product is one thing. Actually selling it, that's where most people get stuck. So I connected my product to an online store, and I'm not a developer. I don't code. But within minutes, everything was synced. Product to store, price to set, images to ready. And suddenly, it looked like a real brand. So let's say someone visits your store. They see your hoodie, they like it, they buy it. You'd think now you have to print it, pack it, ship it. Nope, Printful does all of that for you, automatically. That means while you're focused on growing your brand, the back end, printing, packaging, shipping, is already handled. And honestly, that's the part most people underestimate. Now stay with me here because this is the part most people miss. Once I had one product, I realized I could turn it into 10. Same design to t-shirts, same design to mugs, same design to posters, and it literally took minutes. No redesigning everything from scratch, no extra effort. So instead of building one product, you're building a whole brand ecosystem. And this is where things start to scale because you're not just selling one item, you're creating options for different people. Some want hoodies, some want cheaper items, some want accessories, and you're covering all of them without extra work. That's powerful. Here's the thing most people don't realize. The hardest part of starting a business isn't the idea, it's the risk. Buying inventory, not knowing if it'll sell, losing money before you even start. But this flips that completely. You only pay when someone buys, so the order comes in, then the product gets made, then it ships, which means your customer pays first. And that removes one of the biggest barriers to starting. On top of that, everything is global. So whether your customer is in the US, Europe, or somewhere else, the product is fulfilled and shipped from the closest location. Faster delivery, better experience. And that's what actually keeps people coming back. So I tested it. I created a simple design, launched it, and shared it. And the moment the first order came in, that's when it clicked. This wasn't just a side idea anymore. It was a real business. And the best part, I didn't need a huge budget to start, just an idea and a way to execute it. Printful basically removes the hardest part of starting and lets you focus on actually building something people care about. If you've been thinking about starting your own brand, now's the time. Check the link in the description and try it for yourself.